Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the transporter coming for the 3.5, the green one, the forest find that we grabbed, well, it's about 3 months ago now. So as you probably know, that was sold off on the Facebook group Mercedes Maintenance or Rescue, I'm not sure which one, but anyway, so Gosta's been waiting patiently to get that shipped over to Sweden. Some of you may know that I had a little trouble with the title. Just for a word of advice, if you ever have any trouble with titles and stuff, you know, cars that have dropped off the records, don't bother with going down to DMV. It's a royal pain, and to be honest, with my experience, they weren't very helpful. Almost obstructionist, really, pain in the butt. But after a lot of hassle, I tried getting the local sheriff to help me with it, but he was a great bloke, but there was some mistakes. Anyway, long story short, I ended up, a friend of mine recommending me to a VIN verification lady that works locally, a really nice lady. She came to the house, I paid some money, I think it was $175. She verified the car and did all the DMV paperwork, because she has access to the DMV computers, because she's a certified VIN verification person. So worth her weight in gold. Wonderful. It took 1 week to get the title after she was here. Literally 1 week, all during COVID as well, which is surprising. So anyway, I'm going to take you outside. I moved the SL, the gold SL, because that's in the way, and needed a new battery again. The other one I bought 6 months ago just died, so they gave me a new battery for free. So let's take you outside. I'll show you what we got going. So here it is. I've had it covered up because we've had a lot of rain and stuff. I wanted to keep the pine needles off of it, going into all the drainage holes and everything. So it's all been covered. Packed it with a bunch of parts for the buyer to help him along his way in the restoration. So let's get it uncovered, and then in probably 2 or 3 hours the truck will be here and it all off on its merry way to sunny Sweden. Okay, where apparently, from my understanding, it's very dark there at the moment, but it will see a lot of sunshine in the summer while he's working on it. So let's get it unpacked. So while we're waiting, let's go and have a look at the SL. I've got it here ticking over. That's been sitting out in the garden for a while. I moved it so the truck doesn't have a problem backing in, because it's quite a large vehicle. But there she is. Listen to that engine, running very smoothly. I am going to go back and pull out the strainer from the fuel tank, make sure that's all clear and everything, and I've got various things to go through. Brakes, the main thing, you know, for safety and everything. Go through the brakes, bleed the system, check all that out, probably replace hoses and things like that on all the corners, the flexible ones. Drain, flush assist, cooling system, oil change, obviously, transmission service, small things like wiper blades, that's for sure. Also, I don't think the fan is working, so maybe, hopefully that's a blown fuse or something like that. I thought it was working, so maybe it's a bad fuse connection. But you can see, I mean, it's covered in crap at the moment, but it's a sweet ride. Purring away, lovely job. What I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to get it all roadworthy, drive it around for a while and see what I feel about it. You know, I've not ever owned a SL. Springs around the corner, so it might be quite fun to drive for a while, and I'll see what I feel about it. So you never know, I might end up keeping it, but if I keep it, I'm going to have to sell one of the others, the other 108s. So, but anyway, we'll see about that. And I removed the license plates because when they retitled this car, title only, they assign it a random license plate. and because I only did title only, not registered it for the California roads, they didn't send me the plates. So that's not a big deal, because obviously the title has the VIN number and all that stuff. But I've removed the personalized plate and put them in the car for Gosta to hang on the wall, because they're nice old blue plate California plates, which are actually kind of sought after here in California. So that's something for your garage, Gosta. And yeah, so we'll I'll get probably maybe my wife to film when it gets loaded up. It's all on its wooden box, ready to roll, and I will make absolutely sure the driver's aware of the fairly low sump on these guys, you know, to make sure it doesn't get clipped or anything like that. That's a nice quiet engine, isn't it? Smooth runner. The guy wants to put it on backwards because he goes over the weigh scales and stuff, and he's got two other vehicles to load up. So it wasn't too bad actually. And he's got, I'll get it to the back there, and then he'll winch it on. So.
Make it look easy.
I might be able to just roll it.
Yeah, exactly. You've done this a couple of times.
Yeah.
How's that look?
Looks good. You're dead equal. Now straighten up. I'd say dead straight now.
That's good.
That's great. You check it, but I think we're good.
No,
No,
we'll be all right there, because we're going down, so I just need to get it up a little, and it'll just cruise it on.
Yeah, and it's not going to fly off into your cab, is it?
If the brakes give up, yeah. Yeah, as soon as I get it up there, it'll just probably just start rolling.
Right. Well, off it goes. That was a very successful loading. Nice driver, really easy. It's on its first part of the journey all the way to Sweden. I think apparently it's going to take 2 months to get there. And what's nice, it gets put into a warehouse or a shipping container straight off, so which is nice, it's not sitting outside. Well, that went off really smoothly actually, really nice truck driver. A little bit of a challenge just pushing it out here in the garden here, but rolled down the hill nicely, loaded up, all of the wooden blocks are held on nicely, extra air in the tyres just in case, and yeah, it goes straight onto the shipping container once it gets to Richmond later this afternoon. Or it goes straight into a warehouse, which is nice, so it's not sitting out in the rain and stuff, you know, if we do get some more rain. So yeah, very successful, and Gost has promised to post some video up, maybe probably on the Facebook group site when it arrives, and hopefully he'll keep us informed on the restoration and putting that guy back on the road. So all in all, it was a successful little rescue. So I think that's it for now. I will see you in the next video once I get the old welder cranked up again to carry on with that door repair. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.